Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I've got some work going on in the garden finally. The last thread of frost is seemingly gone, so it's a good time to get some stuff planted. And I got a couple new plants as gifts. So these are raspberries that I got from my brother. They came from his mother-in-law's garden, so these are going to be going in today. And then this is the gooseberry that I got from my brother last fall. You can see it's starting to get a little shoot going there, so it's time to plant this guy. And this is the vegetable bed that we've set up in a previous video. Hopefully you guys have all seen that. And these are the little apple seedlings that I got going from seed, a little while back. So I've brought them outside now. You can see that they were all kind of reaching towards the window, so I've now angled them the other way so that hopefully the sunlight kind of draws them back up this way, because they're still small enough that I think they will. So I'm going to leave these out. If there is going to be some really cold night, if it's going to freeze again or something, then I can still bring them back inside. But I'm hoping that we'll be able to plant these and see how they grow. And then the last thing that I've got going is 3 blueberry bushes. Now these I had actually planted many years ago with my wife at her parents' place, but at my in-laws' yard they just never grew. So these blueberry bushes are like years old, but they've pretty much never produced. Like if they produce any fruit, it's been like maybe a handful between the 3 of them, and the birds always get them anyway. So I think they just didn't like it there. They didn't have enough sun, and yeah, I think now it's hopefully they're going to get a lot more sun over here. We're going to put them in the back corner over there. So we'll do that, and then we've got to do a bunch of pruning in the raspberry bushes as well. So yeah, I've just got a lot going on. Hopefully stuff is going to start producing this year, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. So yeah, just a quick video on this today. It is kind of drizzling here, so I don't want to keep the phone out for too much longer. I think I'll stop it here and just get the work done, and I'll show you guys updates in another video some other time. All right, see you guys later. Bye.